It is funny fact that in the past I have spent a lot of time trying to make everything by my hands. I mean, building shorts, building videos, or building marketing information, and nowadays I'm building my automation workflows, and I spend much more time for creating these workflows than if I will do it by my hands. It is very funny fact. But today I'm going to speak with you about AI avatars. I have made one video a long time ago, and since this time I have created a lot of interesting workflows in Make or in N8N. We are now building the full content marketing agencies with AI, and I mean not only the marketing agencies but also the automation for bloggers, for entrepreneurs, for everyone who wants to scale their personal branding. And I'm not talking about only AI generation. It is different types of videos. For example, you can be very authentic, you can be interesting, and there are no AI generation. We just use automation tools for creating the videos with you or with your face, and you do not need to pay the salary for your team, or you can economy your time, or you can build more content. But there is one thing that I'm very interested in. It is AI avatars, and I have decided to build an experiment and publish more than 120 avatars per 2 months. And in this video I want to share with you my experience with automation at all. I mean with automation on YouTube channels, because there are a lot of videos about automation, about building faceless channel. I have been producing YouTube channels for 10 years and I have a lot of experience, different experience. It's not only successful, and there are a lot of mistakes. So I want to share with you my thoughts and my strategy for the next 2 months. I want to start with my main aim. Firstly, I'm not building shorts for views. I'm using content marketing for scaling my customer base, for getting clients, for creating networking with other people. So YouTube, firstly, for me, it is a tool for expanding my online presence and for expanding my other businesses. So my first aim is not only to get views. I'm not concentrated on the high views. I'm not concentrated on the large audience. I'm concentrated on the very high quality clients and viewers who have a lot of projects, who understand my values and who can share my values. So if you are building a channel with the same aim, I think this video can be helpful to you. YouTube is a tool where you can publish just one video and get a lot of advantages of this process, because you can input your you can input social medias, you can input different lead magnets and other files just inside one video. I mean that one video on YouTube is better than the whole book. So nowadays you can just shoot a video for 10 minutes and tell everything about your product, about yourself, about your values. And if you do a simple thing every day, you can create one video per day for 10 minutes and you can get a lot of advantages of this strategy. But nowadays you need not only to publish long videos, because my experience was related firstly to long videos. You need to publish shorts, you need to publish reels, and nowadays with my team we're also building the content fabrics in Instagram. We automate the process of creating such type of reels. It is reels with hooks or something, say that it is easy reels. But I believe that AI avatars can be an interesting format to get views from your shorts to your long videos, because a lot of people do not want to make a short video. You need to pay a lot of time, you need to pay for editors, you need to create ideas. And for example, if you want to do something helpful, for example, like me, I'm usually using AI avatars to create a helpful shorts with different workflows. I'm showing my workflows on these shorts. So I think that you can replace yourself using the AI avatars if you make such type of content. I mean the type of content when you are telling something helpful to your audience, or maybe you can tell something interesting. But anyway, it is about storytelling. It's not about dancing in the camera. It's not about creating the interesting stories. It's firstly about the valuable information. I have used such type of shorts in the past, but I have tried only 2 or 3 AI avatars, because in that moment I do it by my hands. I mean, I'm going to Hagen app, I'm putting down the scripts from GPT and creating AI avatars, and later I just publish it with my Make. But nowadays I have automated whole processes, and I will show you my workflow. I will share it with you absolutely free. And what is my aim? My aim is to get traffic from AI avatars to my long videos. I want to publish 120 avatars per 2 months. It is 4 videos per day, because in my experience, when you publish more than 4 or 5 or 6 videos, you can get shadow banned. So nowadays we are very accurate with the automation, because there are a lot of projects that were failed because we just published a lot of videos, and social medias think that we use the spam method. But nowadays I will publish only 4 videos with AI avatars. It is absolutely automated system, and let's discuss it closer. I just want to show you the technical part, and maybe it will be helpful to you. There is a workflow to make, so let's go deeper into it. Well, now I want to share with you my workflow for creating AI avatars. There are different steps. Of course, I can create just one workflow and generate it automatically every day or every hour. But in my situation, I have another aim. I don't want to automate my avatars. I want to test it and just create more than 100 videos. So I use steps, and here I can show you how I have done these tasks. Firstly, I used AI assistant for creating the scripts. I take my rows from Google Sheets, put it in the OpenAI, and create scripts, and it gets back to my Google Sheets. And after that, I can create a task in Hagen, and I can get the IDs of my projects inside the Google Sheets. Here you can check how it looks like. I have numbers of my rows, I have scripts. It is a very nice script, I believe, because I pay a lot of attention for creating API assistant, and I use the database of my videos, but I will show you later how I'm doing API assistant. In the result, I can get scripts, I can get title and description for videos by one click. So I'm just use make for writing down the 100 rows. Later I sent 100 rows to avatar generation. The problem is the long waiting of the results, because you need to pay a lot of you cannot do it automatically, because you need to wait for a long time while the Hagen will generate videos. So I use the different rows, I use different steps, and after I have waited about 5 or 6 hours for 100 videos, I get my links. I can get links to my videos back, and I take my IDs from the Google Sheets and post it directly to Hagen and get links. The next step was adding the necessary templates or necessary fragments on my video. I use ShotStack. It is a best solution for API post-production, and I just send my videos from Hagen directly to ShotStack and add the arrow and text full video here. You can check example on the screen, because I need my avatars to boost my full videos. I don't want to get a lot of views just on shorts. It's more important for me to get views from these shorts. So even if 1,000 people will watch my avatar, it is better when a lot of people can watch my videos and will not watch my full videos. So I use ShotStack, but of course, I can use ShotStack for whole steps of post-production, but I have decided to use 2 steps of sending videos for ShotStack, because there are different templates. I can show you it directly how it looks like. For example, here I have template for adding the elements, adding the arrows, and you can design it just in your personal account. You can add captions, you can add different videos on your page, and you can use with JSON file and send it by API request from Make. And in Make you can add necessary information inside the settings of your model, and this request will send directly to ShotStack. But the problem is, in my case, I need to add 2 horizontal videos. It happens automatically because I need to add videos from my Dropbox. Here I'm sending videos to ShotStack. It is a simple post-production. I'm just only add arrows and I add captions. The next step is the most hardest step of the whole workflow. I want to make post-production absolutely automatically without any help of freelancers or about paying my own effort. So I have used the strategy of cutting my full videos on the parts. For example, I have horizontal video for 10 minutes, and I can take more than 30 or 40 parts for the 10 seconds of this video. And all my videos is about automation, so I have just nice picture. I'm showing my workflows, I'm showing another services, so it doesn't depend on the topic of the script. I mean, any videos from any component of my full videos is good for putting it in the avatar post-production process. So here I have workflow for randomizing the number. So here I have template, and I use the randomizing principles to take 2 videos from my folder. It's absolutely random, and after that I'm sending request to ShotStack, and I can add my horizontal videos inside my avatar, and later I have the Google Sheets, and I get the links for the videos to my Google Sheets. Of course I need to wait for ShotStack too, because it's not very fast, but it happens more faster than Hagen. So I just add new columns, I add new rows, and finally in Google Sheets I can get the results, and here is a link for downloading my videos. So this is my system. You can do it simpler. Of course you can do it automatically. For example, you can just put one script, because when you send in one request to Hagen, you need to wait only 10 minutes. But in my case, we're waiting for 6 hours. So here I have ready-made videos. I have links for downloading, and I have status. I have decided to use Make for posting too, because YouTube is rather loyal for API posting. In other videos, I have said that Instagram is not loyal at all. So I use YouTube. I use Make for auto posting, and I just make a simple workflow in the end of this whole system. And nowadays, I'm posting 4 videos automatically in my YouTube. I use my description for my Google Sheets. I use the links to the avatars. I can download it by usual HTTP request. And every day I can see in my studio and draw 4 new videos. I also recommend you to use the scheduled access for video or private access. It is better for YouTube because YouTube is not loyal for for directly posting with open access. You can see the views. For example, my first videos can get views at all. Sometimes people also make commentaries below where you make likes, but I believe that later it will be better. But anyway, you can see there are zeros, so I think YouTube is not understand that I'm real human who posting videos by my hands and thinks that I'm a spammer, so I recommend you to do it in another way. But this workflow is very simple. You can check it, you can use it for yourself, and I will share it in my AI Club and Telegram too. That was technical part, and I just want to share with you my technical method because I think it will be helpful to you if you want to do the same thing. As you can see, I have just prepared only fragments for B-rolls. I have prepared scripts, but I'm not prepared scripts. I have prepared the knowledge base for scripts. So I just collected my videos, use the transcription, and put it inside the AI assistant and OpenAI. So I can do everything in my everyday life, and I'm sure that every day 4 avatars will be published on my YouTube. And there is one important thing. I want to put the related video inside the video settings, so I can move whole views inside my long video. If you're watching this video from my AI avatars, it is a signal that my videos are working, and this funnel and workflow is working too. If you have any question, you can write it down, or maybe you have your own ideas about automation, my content strategy building based on the technology of showing my everyday life in my project. So there are people who are making blogs with the photo of food or their everyday hobbies, but I have the same thing. It's like dictionary, but I have the same thing inside my projects, inside my hobbies in automation and AI solutions and other technological solutions at all. And if you need some helpful workflows, I have my club where you can donate money to my project. I usually use it for buying subscriptions or for buying API keys, so you can find a lot of different useful funnels, workflows for Make and other platforms, even for Telegram applications inside the description, and maybe there will be something helpful to you, so you can check it if you want. And I'm very glad that you are watching my videos. If you have any ideas, please write it down below in the comments. Maybe you have also tried AI avatars and you have nice results, so I think that we can be helpful to each other. And I want to know your opinion about AI at all, because there are some people who are scared of AI avatars. They think that they can make their viewers' loyalty lower, but I think that you need to. But nowadays we are connected with AI everywhere, so maybe it can depend on the age of your viewers, on their habits, because sometimes people think that they will understand that it is AI, it is a problem. But in my opinion, it's not a problem, because I sometimes even watch videos with AI avatars if I can get helpful information from their videos. So I want to know your opinion about that. And thank you for watching.